Welcome to this video on using checkboxes in Microsoft Word Online. Yeah, you did hear me right. I'm talking about checkboxes in Microsoft Word. We know that they were added much easier recently in Microsoft Excel, but you can also add them in Word Online and they work really nicely so that you can tick things off. It strikes through the content and you could use it as a checklist. Now, you might have templates that you go through when you're planning projects or processes, and you take a copy each time and work through the document. And you can add this in to help you track completions and things like that. And there's so many different ways that you could use this, and it's super simple and easy to do. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm on Microsoft Word Online. I have a 365 account. So just in case you're not seeing the same functionality as me, it's not coming to your tenant or your version yet, or you might have a different version. It absolutely does happen. There's so many different versions of Microsoft out there that give you different access. So let's have a really quick look at here. I'm in the Home tab. I've just got the one line of functionality showing, and then I've got some text on my page, and I've got this sections list here. And I'm just going to select those. And then all I need to do is come to the bar, and right in the middle, you'll see the bullets and the numbered list, which have always been there. But then to the right next to it, you've got a very similar looking function with some ticks and lines, and that's your checklist option. And if you hover over it, you'll see that it says checklist anyway, just like any other Microsoft app. When I select that option, it's going to give me my checkboxes. And it works very much like it does in Excel. If I click and tick anything off, you'll see it's striped through. So it's really easy to manage there. If I untick, it just takes away that strike through. Really nice and easy. And also, very quickly, a nice tip here as well. If I've added something in that I don't want to have a tick box next to it, if I just click on that one and click checklist, it's just going to remove that so that it's just a normal piece of text. It's not part of a checklist. So a really, really quick, nice thing to try in Microsoft Word Online. If it's something you use, if it's a document that you're all working on, maybe just pop in a checklist so you all can check when you've done your part of the process, so you're all up to date on what's going on. Have a go at that, see if that one works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.